Your brain does not always tell you the truth. It tries to protect you, not educate you. That is why it changes reality without asking permission. Psychology calls this trick cognitive bias. Bias means your brain takes shortcuts to make life feel easier. Your brain loves comfort and avoids effort because deep thinking uses energy so fast. Thinking feels natural, and slow thinking feels uncomfortable, but fast thinking is often wrong, while slow thinking is usually accurate. This is why we believe ideas that match our thoughts and ignore ideas that challenge us. Opposite opinions feel annoying, so the brain blocks them to feel safe. Emotions strongly affect thinking. Fear changes decisions, anger narrows focus, excitement hides risk. When emotions are strong, logic becomes weak, and the brain focuses on one feeling while forgetting the full picture. First information feels powerful. Even if it is wrong, the brain anchors to it and compares everything else to that first idea. This is why first impressions last even when facts change. The brain likes consistency more than correction. We blame others easily, but forgive ourselves quickly, because the brain wants comfort, not responsibility. Success makes us overconfident, and we forget timing, help, and luck, while failure feels personal. Even when it is random, the brain loves familiar paths and routines. New choices feel risky, even when they are better, so comfort wins over growth. Habits control daily life because the brain repeats patterns. Without asking why, shortcuts feel smart, but they miss details. The brain wants speed, not accuracy. This worked for survival, but it is dangerous for modern decisions, especially in money, relationships, and judgment. Strong headlines grab attention, while calm facts feel boring because the brain loves emotion, not balance. This is why social media spreads feelings faster than truth. We remember mistakes more than success because the brain looks for danger, not progress. Thinking boxes limit creativity. The brain labels people quickly, and once labeled, it stops learning. But bias is not permanent. Awareness weakens it. Questioning slows it down. When you pause, the brain steps back, and clarity moves forward. Talking with others reveals blind spots and helps learning. Bias fades with practice and patience. Your brain is not bad. It is just old. It evolved for survival, not modern life. You must guide it, not fight it. Ask questions, think slowly. Awareness is power, pause is strength, clarity is choice, and choice can change your life.